Hello everyone, this is Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe. Today we're going to do a headlight restoration on, what year is this truck?
2000.
2000, so 19-year-old truck. So we're going to use heavy cut compound from Manzurna. It's a 400. So it's a cut and polish. So we're going to start off, we're going to use a 3-inch white correcting pad. It's pretty heavy pad from Griot's Garage. Then we're going to follow it up with an orange pad. Then we're going to clean it up with a isopropyl alcohol 50/50 compound. And then we're going to spray on the Meguiar's headlight coating. So let's see what happens. Alright, so the Meguiar's headlight restoration coating, UV protectant, is drying. We put a second coat on it. You put 2 coats, let it sit for about 3 minutes, put a second coat on. Said it'll cure in 24 hours. But significant difference, quick and easy. Have any other questions? Shoot me an email at detailingintempe@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Attention to Detail in Tempe. Hit the like button if this was informative, and you have a great day.